Hi guys, welcome back to my humble workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can replace machine heads on your guitar yourself. Some people think it's very hard and they prefer to bring in a luthier, but here there is no need to look for somebody qualified because you can do it yourself. It's really easy. And here I'll share some tips of what you should pay attention to when choosing a new set of machine heads and how to do this work itself. Look, here we have machine heads that somebody has already repaired, and I want to change it to its originality. So first, when you need to take off your old machine heads, you obviously have to take off the strings, and then you have to undo these four screws. Don't touch this one. They are for a different purpose. I'll later show you. I done three of them, and now I'm going to remove this one, the last one. So now when your set of tuning pegs is loose here, you may just pull it out, and that's it. And then you put in a set of new machine heads, and here we go. Well, and now I'm going to hone on some issues that may arise when doing this. First of all, you have to be aware that machine heads has different sizes and construction. When you need to buy a new set of machine heads that will fit your guitar, you should pay attention to three parameters. First is spindle's diameters. Look, here they are thin, this is for acoustic guitars, and here they are thick for classical guitar. Then there might be different distance between the spindles. Look, here it's 80 millimeters here and 40 millimeters between these two, and here string rollers are closer to each other. It's 35 here. There are also standard 75 here for old East German guitars Musima. Well, and the last parameter is that when you need to change on the one plate of machine heads, they are right and left. Look, here they're kind of symmetrical this way. Well, and you have be aware of that machine heads designed for classical guitars have different diameters of the rollers either. For example, here we have 9 millimeters, while on quality machine heads we usually have 10. Like here, these machine heads are more expensive, and here we have thicker rollers. And also sometimes its length matters, while here it's the same. Here we have different length. So be careful when your original machine heads are 9. If you buy this set, you won't be able to put it in. Then you'll have to widen your holes here. Then when putting a new set of machine heads, even though the diameter is the same, it might be a little bit tough to insert them. I recommend to lubricate the rollers, but you should never use liquid oil. I use soap for this purpose, hard soap, because you know when you put some liquid oil into the holes in the guitars, headstock it swells and it will press the roller in there. This is not a good idea. I use this soap to make it slippery, like this. And that's it. Now you may put it easily in the holes, like this. This is what it should look like. Let's now take a look how you can repair your machine heads if you don't want to have a new set of them. You can remove only one handle and replace it with another one. This is what I'm going to do. Look, here we have two original handles, but this one is not from here. So I think this one is the same. Here. And here is what these screws for. The screw holds the gear attached to the string roller. And now I'll show you how to take it off. Some machine heads don't allow to do this. Now you remove it from here. Put this one instead. Insert the roller in here. Yeah, done. Now I recommend to lubricate it. I use liquid oil here. I put it in here between the cogs and a drop in here and in there. This. And then using this peg winder, just spread the oil to the other side. Let's see if it works well. Yeah, well done. And now we can put this set of machine heads back in here. Yeah, done. Here you may take a look at different types of machine heads again. And also, if you have a very unusual type of machine heads and you cannot find a set that will suit you, you may buy separate machine heads like these, and put them one by one. Well, guys, I think that's it for now. See you later. Bye bye. Take care.